Hello everyone, welcome back to this workshop. Hope you are hearing me well and hope you are well you too. If someone could write in the chat that you are hearing okay, I will truly appreciate. Let me share screen. Let's keep doing what we've been doing. Okay, so for those who attend the last workshop of this one, we start with an idea of making a Doctor AI application. We kind of create an overview with ChatGPT, some functionalities, core functionalities. Again, with ChatGPT, I have something in mind. And then from that, we did a couple of Figma draws, and then we started working on Replit. For those who didn't join the last class, you will kind of don't understand a couple of things. You, of course, can stay here and you will learn, but then I truly recommend you to assist the first truly happy. Okay. The live is lagging. Can someone confirm that? Have a couple of noise in the background because my neighbor is doing some things with a hammer, but hopefully it will end soon. This workshop is being made with Omdena, as you already know. Omdena, it's an amazing place to connect with people as me, as you. Of course, if you are seeing this video in a Saturday, where you can work in truly an incredible projects of satellite imagery, clean tech, grid tech, and a lot more. And of course, I will love if you want to connect with me in LinkedIn. My LinkedIn is Francisco Fure. You can connect with me. I'm happy to have you in my network and exchange potential ideas and collaborations. Okay, without further ado, let's keep working in what we have. I didn't do anything else because that's the idea. We will keep working right now here live and have everything recorded. So this is the first screen that you see in Replit, and here in apps, I have different apps. And where is my app? Health AI Companion. I think it's this one. 2 weeks ago. Yeah, makes sense. I need to clean this up because then starts to get a little messy. Yeah, let's open this. So when you open up a project, you see the agent. We saw the last kind of message that we have, and you cannot see the application, but you need to hit the Run Project button that you have here in the top. You hit there, and in a couple of seconds, someplace here is trying to run. So I think this one. Okay, so now we can see our project. We can even see it in a full screen. And here we have this button. It wasn't working. Access your health now. Then we have this button. It was working. Explore tools, and it comes to the tool part. So let's keep going with what we have. We did kind of a to-do list for next steps. I will have the hero section and the landing page is this part. We can kind of improve it, make it more nice for the user. You know, you need to. Yes, I'm sharing my screen. You cannot see it. I'm seeing the video with the screen share. Let me access my YouTube. Don't panic me. Let's see the video Live. Oh yeah, you are right. Let me try again. Can you see it now? Uh, yeah, okay. Oh, thank God. Okay, sorry about that. Let's start again. I was doing a lot of stuff and anybody stopped me. Okay, so again, we've been working in Dr. AI. We have an idea. We did an overview, a project overview with some information that we take it from ChatGPT. Oh, sorry, it's a hammer in my back. We add some core functionalities and we start doing some Figma draws and we jump to Replit. Here is the first screen that you see from Replit. You can come to apps and I will go to Health AI Companion. And always what first appears is your last chat with the agent. And here in the right hand, you have the review your app here. So what you need to see your app is hit the run button in the top and it will start running the console, doing some stuff here. Yes, sir. And here it will start loading the page. Yes. And with this little button, you can open in a new browser. So here we have our app. This button, it wasn't working. So I want to go directly to the app with this button. But this last button, it was working and take you to building with the skin analyze, the symptoms, and the chat that we want to improve, to keep improving. So we have that. Here also we can do right extension. So I want to see in the newest iPhone how it's working and why I see it so small. And here you can kind of see how it looks in an iPhone or different cell phones and understand if something is not working. Okay. For now, let's keep it simple. In our document that we have here, and I will share it again, I will share it in the chat of the YouTube channel, of the YouTube recording. We've been doing some the writings, taking notes, and all that stuff, and we have our to-dos here. Then I will try to put in a better way this document. So we say, hey, I want to improve our hero section and a landing page, basically this part, because this is a potential user, the first thing that they see. So it's important to do it in a way that you have a really good impression in 1 second, because the users in a second they can change page. We want to add a sign in, sign up section and logic. So right now, if I publish this page for the public, anyone can come here and do the symptoms and basically use my OpenAI tokens, and that will create a lot of charge in my site because I have my personal API, and that means that it's connected with my credit card or debit card. So I will be losing money if I don't put a sign in, sign up logic and a way of paying this. So we will be talking about that. Here, as you see, this is all created with ChatGPT. It's really simple, but we want to improve that. We will be working also in the Stripe integration, so users can able to pay for my solution. That's the whole point about making a business. We want to add the database with his internal logic. It has also to do with the sign in, sign up. For the sign in, sign up, we want to have users. So we want to add a DB with users table and all that stuff, and the history section. So if someone use my platform, I want to have all his history of what we discussed before. So I know, hey, you have this pain before. No, you've been experiencing something similar in the past, and we can kind of make better results and things over there. Okay, let's start with this. Let's start with the hero section and landing page. And here in Replit, they sometimes, and I'm not sure in which times, it comes with, hey, you want to do some improvements, and they tell you a couple of ideas. Social sharing capabilities, advanced health history tracking, animate health metric dashboard, micro interaction for medical icons, personalized onboarding wizard, AI-powered health trend predictions, gamified health achievement system. It's like all pretty cool features, isn't it? For me, it's like, hey, it's hard to think in that stuff. Let's try one of those ones just to see what it comes out, because it's not our idea, it's the idea of the agent. So let's see. For now, the agent is thinking. Here you have this part, the open files, and here you can see all the files. And in the attached assets, you will see the screenshots that we share with them. So I shared this screenshot before, and if you see, they use like the same colors, similar cards, so they kind of use. Here you want to put stuff that you might want. For example, I want to I have another page that I've been working on. It's in Portuguese because I am trying to get inside the Brazilian market, and I did this. I add a picture of mine to like, hey, know the founder and stuff like that. So we will do that again, and I add the links to this to my LinkedIn and to my GitHub account, so they can know, hey, this is the founder, because it's sharing his work, so it's more trustable in some way. Okay, so I download that image. I have it here. But this is I did that page with Replit too. Okay, so what he said? I will help you implement the gamified health achievement system. No, what I did. Check if the achievement page loads correctly. Try using any feature and see. Okay, so kind of they did something here. Achievements here. Okay, not sure if why we want this, but okay, they share it. So what's the idea? If you complete your first health check, 5 health check, 3 scan analyze. So ideally, if I do this, analyze symptoms, analyze result, achievements, it's not working properly. Well, no problem. They add that really quick. So let's not focus on that right now. Okay, now I want to keep improving the hero section and landing page. In the hero section, it should appear. The hero section, the button access your health now should redirect you to the app page, which one is the app page? Dashboard. So here I copy dashboard. That's the app page. Okay. What else we can ask about the hero section? So it doesn't have a header and it doesn't have a footer, I believe. Yeah. I might want also to add a header and a footer. And yes, sir. What else? I want also to add a fixed button to my WhatsApp account, my WhatsApp number. And I did this in the past. Let me check in which page. This one, no. Somewhere in the. Okay, no problem. Let's see. It should open. It should redirect you to WhatsApp, to this number. I will put my personal number from Argentina, so I put the full international number and start with the message. I have a question about Dr. AI or something. Okay, so I did, I want to keep improving the hero section and landing page. I want to fix this button that is not working. I want to add a header. I want to add a footer. What I can explain a little more what to add to the header. So header should have a services, then should have about us. What else can have? If we are low on ideas, we always come here and we open these pages that we see before. So here, kind of, we can see another Dr. AI tools and kind of check if they have, hey, I like this for the app part. Now we are not in the app part, but I like it. Okay, home, product, pricing, resource. Perfect. So I want to add services, about us, pricing. Yeah, pricing, resources, why not? And of course, the login button and the logo of our application that we didn't create a logo yet. So yeah, the header should have logo button to go back to the home in the left part, and then services, about us, pricing, resources, login, sign up. Okay, let's throw this prompt. I could even try to improve that prompt with ChatGPT. I don't care right now. Also, Replit has ChatGPT in the back, or Claude, or some of those LLMs, so it's almost the same. So I will help you enhance the landing page with updating the hero section button to redirect to dashboard, adding a professional header, and created a fixed WhatsApp button. Let's see what comes out. I have my WhatsApp open here, and we will check about that. For now, we can kind of take more inspiration ideas for what we've been kind of keep building. They all look really good, so it's like nice. You know, Cali's dashboard for those that want to lose weight in a healthier way. Really cool, this part. Okay, so what he did, he kind of improved it. He's talking that he created The header is visible and fixed at the top. The WhatsApp button appears in the bottom right. Yes, I would like to have the logo of WhatsApp. That's okay. And the access your help now is working. No. So he kind of didn't make it work. So okay, so if I go this way, that's a problem for the cell phone section, because if I go all this way, it appears everything that we ask. This button is still not working. If I go all the way to the bottom, we have a footer with some information here. But if I make it for a cell phone, I lose the header, and I want to have the hamburger here, you know? So I open the hamburger. And this section, the footer, works really bad. So let's show that. Okay, if I'm in the phone, I lose the header. It should be in a hamburger. Also, the footer looks terrible. And I always will take a screenshot and share it, so it's kind of aware of what we are seeing about. And in the bottom, we can share a screenshot. They need to see us, to see the page. They are, an AI is almost as a human. They need to see with their eyes and understand what's not working. It's a new AI tool now. I will show you this one. It's from a Chinese company too. It's not open yet to all the users, but take it a look. Manus, it's pretty amazing, and they have videos of how they do it. So it's like constantly the LLM taking screenshots and seeing if it's working, if not, and they screenshot. So they are aware of how it works. Pretty amazing. Okay, let's keep with this. So I press the button, and perfect. It took me to my own WhatsApp. I have a question about Dr. AI. I sent to myself, and kind of I have already that. Oh, sorry. Okay. So the WhatsApp button, I would like to appear the WhatsApp log. Okay, let's see if he fixed those details and how it works. If someone has any comment, any doubt, any question, you can ask it in the chat. If you are liking the video, let me know too, so I know that we are in the correct direction. As always, we can see the code being changed here and what is going out. As you see, Replit takes a screenshot. They always take a screenshot. Here, look, the steps. They edit, they restart, they took a screenshot, but they take one screenshot. And that's okay, but maybe they could improve in the future to take a lot of screenshots, and they will have a really nice overview of the page. Okay, let's see what it comes out. For now, yeah, we can keep seeing another inspirational pages. Take a look at this one. Appointments with real doctors. We can add these kind of departments. So, hey, you can go to cardiology, you can go to another one. That's cool. We can add a patient's review part. So people that start using Dr. AI, you kind of make a place to they drop a review, and if they drop a review, you make a discount. So you encourage those people to take a moment to make an honest review, even if it's bad or good. You want to have the bad reviews too to improve the application, of course. This a lot of things, but looks really cool. Okay, let's see. Sorry for the background. My neighbor is using a hammer. Hope they end quickly. I noticed that the service is not running. Let me start. Okay. So somehow the service is not running, and I'm not sure why. So it talks like thinking deeply. I noticed that the service is not running. Let me start it and then verify the mobile frame improvements. I see that service. Okay. The server is still not running. Oh, yeah. I would like to restart the server. Yes, I didn't ask him. Let's see a second there. It's like trying to run and somehow it's failing. So what he do a kill, so he kill all the things running the port 5000. It showed like a command not found, so it failed this command. I hope he tries to do it again. Restarting the application. Let's check. Okay, let's give it a minute. We can keep going here. Want to see some ideas. So Dr. X, I like it, the name. About home, about that, service, resource, fact, contact. You could add all that in the header. The agent is having trouble getting the server to run properly after implementing the model training. Would you like to roll back to the last working version using the rollback in the chat pane, having the agent check and restart all dependency? Okay, so something is happening. Let's try or not. Let's press run. Here we go to web view, and that is still not running. Why is not running? Okay, we never enter in panic. We know that we can roll back to some place, so we go back. We tell him about this part. Hey, if I'm in the phone, I lose the header, blah blah blah, and he start doing all the changes, but then start failing. So we need to go back to this rollback. We know that we have this point here. We could try to fix it. But let's see if it works fine, the rollback to here, or if the error is deeper. Normally, sometimes the error is that something else is running the port, and that's why. In this case, it doesn't look like, because it's like, it's telling me that it's running. So let's press the rollback to here button and see if we fix it and we start again the request. So he's telling me, hey, I already finished it. How can I see it? Could you run the app in the web view, please? Here is the part that starts to get a little expensive because all these change that we asked, it took 25 cents. 25, 25, 25, and in a couple of chats, you have $1, $2, $5. Now looks like he make it work. Let's check. Okay, the agent, what happened, my friend? So still thinking. Restart the workflow. Let's see. Go, my friend, go. Taking his time. I don't know. Kind of failing. It's nice that this happens here. Where you will learn more is in the fail. How to try to fix it. Sometimes it works, sometimes don't. But this is the nice part of streaming. It fails. It's like taking a lot of time considering options, determining next steps. It's like, oh, I never see this feature. It's new one. Element selector. Huh. Then we can try it. It's kind of stuck. Restart. The next thing that I will do if this is not working is we tell him, hey, kill everything in the port 5000 and restart again. And if not, try to open in a new port. So it's, hey, kill everything in the pocket. If not, run it in a different port. Please. Yeah, it looks like he gets stuck. Okay, so looking at the workflow state, service in failed state. Let's first try to restore the workflow on a clean slate. Command not found. Let's see. It never fails this way for me. It's the first time. It happens. It happens. I like this of having the reviews in the header, so you can, hey, AI doctor, I'm scared. What I should know about it? Okay, you have the reviews here. Yeah, you have here like cardiology, diabetology. I like also. From seeing this stuff, you get a lot of ideas. First, AI AD solutions with AI. Oh, nice. The application is having trouble starting out. Would you like to try one of these options? Start the on a different port, then restart the entire. So it was working just fine. And we already used the rollback buttons. So we already used the rollback button and it didn't work. Let's try to run the app in a different port. Let's see what it comes out. We have here the config files that we can see. So here has local port 5000. I will hope that he changed that. Okay, he's telling me he will try to change some stuff. It's changing the index. Where I have the index. Server index here. So serving on port 3000 now. We have a .m file, but I don't know if I can access that here. Okay, so now it's telling me, okay, it works or not? It looks like working. Okay, looks like it's working. But I don't know why he restarted. It was working and he restarted. Why? I don't know, it's kind of in a bug. Take a look. He was working and he restarted. Let's wait a second, and if not, we just kill everything, we shut up Replit, and we open again. Sometimes happen. No, it's something is happening, and uh, enough. Let's close it, and start again. Yes, sir. Enough of you. No. Okay, so it was working, something with the agent not being cool. Those things happen. How can I preview my web view? Okay, I want to test this stuff. Oh, it says I'm unavailable. Okay, let's go with again with what we've been working, and we tell him, hey, I want to improve the header when it has the view of a phone. It disappeared, but it should appear the hamburger button with all the options. And we take a screenshot, paste it, we kind of do it at home, take a screenshot, paste it. And even if we want, we put all that. Let's hope now it doesn't fail. I will create a plan to add a mobile response hamburger menu that includes all the current navigation options using the existing drawer component. The menu will appear when the header is viewed on a mobile device, maintaining all the current navigation options. Add mobile response hamburgers. Would you like to add any of these features? Add smooth animations for menu transitions. Yeah, why not? Implement nested drop-down menus for mobile view. Yeah, why not? Add search functionality in mobile menu. Add search functionality. No, I don't like it. Include user profile section in mobile menu when logged in. Yeah, why not? Let's hope that then it doesn't fail as before, because he kind of promised a lot and then you cannot even run the application. So anyone has any comment? Anyone was trying any of these tools, Replit, create something cool? Okay. He already create the hamburger, it looks like, but he's still doing the next steps. Let's see. Once we are over with this, we will call it a day with these sections and we could move forward. We will put like this. Then, of course, we always can improve the header and the hero the landing page and the hero section. I want to jump to the signing and sign up section. So I updated the header component to fix the nested anchor tags issue and implement a proper mobile menu with a hamburger button. Let me verify if the mobile button is working correctly now. Okay. So the footer is still working really bad. I don't like it. It's with the same issue. This kind different. What's happening? Okay, I will pause him. Pause. Bye bye. Okay. So when I press the hamburger, it appears like in the bottom. I don't like that. Services about us, pricing, resources. Yeah, why is not running the application? But the way in the phone, when we go down, it's like in the bottom. I don't know if I like that. Let's take a screenshot. When I press the hamburger button, the section appears in the bottom. I will like to appear in the top as most of the applications normally works. Okay, let's see if he can fix it. It's kind of having an issue, a strange issue, the agent in deep in Replit. Hopefully fix it soon. It's a kind of a black box sometimes working with LLMs because you don't know why these things fail. So you need to start like prompting, changing stuff and all that. So yeah, they are always working in those things. But at least we are aware that that issue is happening and we stop the agent if he starts to rethink and rethink and rethink. That should not be a problem. Okay, now it's working. Don't start doing the same, my friend. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So take a look. I have my picture here. I will add it here. So we already have our picture. Close. But now the hamburger takes all the screen. Let's share it sample hamburger section font. Now page views. Okay, I like this one, like opens by in the side, you know. This is cool. See the image and like the one that we just shared. And take a look. Guide to hamburger menu design. When to use the hamburger menu in the mobile first design, of course. Okay, go ahead. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, okay. Now it's moving. What is doing? Let's see. It's not working properly, the agent today. Take a look. What he's doing. This is strange. You know that they are like contest of the worst designs that you can create. This is kind of that. Create a menu hamburger design that you cannot press. Okay. No, my friend, what are you doing? It has many changes, but we don't know them due to startup issues. Application startup issues. We like that. They are like having an issue. Let's bye agent to have the assistant. And let's run the application to see where we are in the hamburger menu. I never see this failing so much. Look at this. This is like the contents of the worst page that you can create. A menu hamburger that it moves. Hey, hi, my friend. I have the header, and when it's a mobile, instead of being locked in the top, it keeps moving always. Can you help me fix it? Okay, so the agent was failing. Here we have the agent. Agent can make change, review its work, and debug itself. And we have the assistant. The assistant is like, it doesn't have a lot of sandbox to play as the agent. So he's tell you, hey, I will help you fix the mobile header, looking at your code, we need to ensure the header stays fixed. He did a change in the code. We can even open and see what's the change. He had something there that I kind of a class name that I don't understand where it comes. The fix it with okay, yeah, apply. Why not? And the assistant is cheaper. So the assistant costs you like 5 cents. Let's see. You will kill me. You will kill me. Yeah, please, please. Let's run the application again. Open web view. No, man, why is doing this? I want to see if it's doing the same in this way. This is kind of stressful. Yeah. Why are you moving us like that? Let's ask once. Can you make again the full hamburger header? Please. It's moving all along the page. It's not fixing. Make it from 0 again. Whew. This is when you lost energy. We are an hour of streaming, so if we don't fix it now, we will fix it in the next one and try to do the login logout section, because if not, we are not making any progress. Yeah. Okay, go ahead, my friend. Okay, at least it's something. I don't like it, but at least it's something. Okay, so yes, perfect. Let's go with the agent too. I will give you another chance, agent. Payment processing. I want to add the pricing page. I want to add the pricing page. And for the pricing page, I was seeing this call AI. Call AI. They just have application? No, they must have here, this one. They have like a cool application, and it's basically taking a picture through into an LLM, and they have like how much calories, carbs, fats, protein. Kind of what we want to do. And they even, this is in Spanish. Let's give it in English. How does Car AI works? When you take a picture, many things happens. Yeah, they basically call an LLM. Manage subscription. Pricing. Where I was seeing the pricing of these people. So, okay, I want to add the pricing page. How we will add the prices? I want a strategy of 1 week prices. 5 USD, 1 week full use of the app. And then what else we can add? 1 day use, $2 full use of the app. So why am I writing this? Because we don't want, nobody will pay for a Dr. AI like every day, like in a constant way, like as you pay other tools like Replit. Because when you will use Dr. AI, when you are sick, when you are ill, or when your sons or child, some family. So you want to be able to pay and subscribe and unsubscribe in a easy way, So we want to, if you are ill one day, you just subscribe quickly, make some request, and then okay. And if you are more than 1 day, you pay the 1 week. I think for now those two. And we will want to add free resource. We can like leave 10 requests for free, and also add the part of 10 requests for free. Okay, let's try with the agent that part. Let's see what it comes out. Okay, I will create a plan to implement the pricing page with the following feature. Free tier with 10 requests, 1 day full access for $2, 1 week full access for $5. The page will be integrated with the existing React application and then require design system. Okay, so now it's telling me, hey, implement pricing page with tier subscription options and free tier. And it's already saying, hey, let's use Stripe. That's cool. I did one project that I did the integration with Stripe, and Stripe has a lot of documentation and can be overwhelming. It's really cool. Stripe, we will see it maybe today, maybe the next workshop, but you need to have like a lot. Would you like any of these additional features, add monthly subscription options? Yeah, like we can add monthly subscription, but I don't see. Add payment history dashboard, yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay. For now, the monthly subscription, leave it away. Let's see what it comes out with this Stripe configuration. Give me 1 second, please. Okay, here we are again. So it tells you, hey, to implement the pricing and payment system, we need your Stripe API keys. Go to the dashboard of Stripe. For a valid Stripe public key, copy your publish public key. Start with PK. For Stripe secret key, copy your secret key. Please provide both here. Okay. So we want to if you don't have a Stripe account, you just make one. It's totally free, so no problem in that part. Let me press see the double step authentication. Okay. And what is cool here? So here we have our publishable key, and here the secret key that you cannot reveal, and I will not reveal in this view. But we have here test mode. So test mode lets you simulate transaction and payment in test mode. No real transaction will be perceived. We want to use test mode. So now he say you, hey, you are using test data. The secret key, I don't care to share the secret key. We are in a test mode. So we are doing secret key, and here let's press continue, and let's see what will go. Any questions? Any suggestions? Let's see how this behave. Sometimes it's, as we see, a little difficult. Hopefully it works okay and we achieve what we came. In Stripe, then you can go here in the left bar, you have home, balance, transactions. So if you go to transactions, I'm in a account of Doctor AI. Oh yeah, okay. name Doctor AI. So let's start with some basics. Business location, United States. In type of business, individual. Yeah. So I was in a previous account that I have for Stripe for another project I have. So let's make again this part. Legal name, blah, blah. Can I just skip all this to go to the test? And test connect, choose how to use unbox, yes. Okay, so we are good to go. Then we will need to create the live account. We are in a sandbox. The thing is, I am not seeing my IDs. Ah, here they are. Oops. So I need to change these ones because I was using another ones. And oh, this person is having issues again. Let's stop it there. Time-free request, backseat features, no credit card required. Daily access, full app access, 24-hour unlimited usage, all premium features, get daily access. Complete your purchase. Okay, now, and take a look. We have already connected successfully with Stripe. Let me make one thing, and I need to update the AP keys to be able to see this kind of test. So what we will do is all tools and secrets. Here we have the secrets, and we want to update the secret. And which one I update? So I have the secret, and it's the Stripe secret key. This one. Edit, update. And then the another one is the publishable key, the byte Stripe public key. Edit, update secrets. Okay, now it should be good to go. We will stop the application and we will run it again. If we finish this successfully, we will stop for today because the agent is not working properly, and I'm not sure why this happens with these applications that use LLM as this background. So yeah, sometimes kind of need to work these ways, making some change in some other ways, and sometimes you just need to wait a couple of hours. We have our application. Yeah. Oh, I close the Stripe connection. Yeah. Okay, so I go to pricing. I go to get weekly access, and here you don't need to put a real card just because we are in a test environment. So they someplace take a look. $5 incomplete right now. So time is right now. They already knows that I'm doing I'm in this page. Here is appearing this part that I don't want to appear, but that's okay. Then we take care of that. I think that if you press 42424242, that works. And then you should appear here for 230 and here 123. And I think that what you just need is these numbers for 2424242, and you go pay now. And because we are in a test environment, it should work fine. Now it redirects us to the medical chat. Then we want to redirect to, hey, your payment was processed successfully. Now you can get inside your application. But let's see if the payment actually was processed successfully. That's what we care in this experimentation. Yes, exactly. Take a look. So we're in Stripe, we're in the sandbox. So this is not real. So the application was successfully. Then we need to get your live account. How? We need to pass some basic information like bank accounts and all that stuff. But at least we have our first succeed payment. That's working. Then we should improve where to redirect after the payment and all that stuff. But at least this works. So Mujad Bas, can we use more than one AI tool side by side like Cursor AI and Replit for such application? Yes, of course. Just for those that are not aware, Cursor is a code text editor that you download. I actually have it here. I use it as my day-to-day job. I use Cursor. So yes, you can use Cursor with Replit. How's the way to use it? You come here. Let's actually do that and we finish. You come here and you go to new tab and you search Git version control for your app. So here we can make the app connected with GitHub. I have my GitHub account. So let's ask to the assistant, hey, I want to connect my code of Replit in a new repo on GitHub. Can you help me with that? Yeah, of course, it's always useful to have your code in more than one place. You have it in Replit, put it in GitHub too. Yes, I will help you connect your Replit project to a new GitHub repository. Here's how. First, let's connect your GitHub account to Replit. If you haven't already, click on the Git icon in the Git pane. You can add a Git pane from the tools section if not visible. So, Git. Oh, my earphone is dying. Can you hear me okay? Yes. My earphone is dying. Okay, so I already did a lot of, I think these are commits, I believe. So, no remote repository configured to push your change at a remote repository in the settings view. Yes, let's add that. Enter a remote URL. Yes. Create repository on GitHub. I didn't enter. Okay, here. I was already connected. So create repository in GitHub. Ensure you don't already have a. Oh, maybe it's already there. Oh, take a look. Updated now. Health AI. Oh, but I didn't push the code. So I create the repo, but it's empty. Take a look. What we want is to push the code. How we push the code? Connect to GitHub, we did that. After connecting, yes, repository description, yes, great. Create, I create the repo but didn't push the code. Can you help me with that? And let's open here Git version control. Branch here. It was the button really clear there. Pushing the branch, and let's see if this was. Take a look. We have all the files now in in GitHub, and then we kind of copy this. We open a terminal. We do. I have a special folder for all my projects, so we do projects, and then and we come here. I do clear cd. I'm in the antenna project. I see Argentina. I do git clone, and it's cloning the Health AI companion. Now in Omdena, it will appear Health AI companion, as you see here. So then if I open a new window cursor, open project, wait, it's here, all projects Omdena Health AI companion. And we have it here. One thing to take into account and take care of about this is for running this application in Replit, Replit needs some specific files. And for running this application in your local or using these other tools, you need another files. So take care of not deleting those files between one and the other one. You could have like a folder of running or a folder for Replit and another for cursor, and don't delete those files. For example, Replit needs this file, .replit. And maybe if you ask cursor about this file, let's ask, hey, for what purpose is this file, .replit? And the Replit file is a configuration file. Okay, he's aware, which is an online development environment. Yes. Will not delete. But take a look. We have already our project in Cursor. We could then even configure to run it locally here in Cursor and make another change from Cursor. The only thing with Cursor is that you need more expertise in code. Nothing crazy, to be honest, but you need more expertise in code than using Replit. And you need to know this connection with GitHub. Again, nothing crazy. I just asked the assistant, and that was all. Okay, we will finish for now because this was kind of a stressful session, more because the agent didn't work too well. We didn't do a lot of stuff, but this thing happens, and that's why the streaming. We want to show the defects. It's the most important part of everything. We will keep improving the application. I will improve the to-dos for the next workshop and try to go ahead and make the DB working out that. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for joining, and hope you enjoyed this streaming session.